Hi everyone, today we're gonna make pizza margherita. So first we're gonna prepare everything, the cheese. You can also go with mozzarella or some other one, but I'm going with this one, it's my favorite cheese. You can also mix. Usually this is what I have left, I'll see if I need some more. Then the olives prepare, and tomatoes I take this one in a can. I practically also use the whole can. I'm gonna just put a bit of salt, a spoon of olive oil, and oregano. We're gonna mix it all together. I use this one ready for bake with baking paper. Just few times do it with a fork like this. Now we're putting tomato. Usually I just put the whole cup and then gently with a spoon through the whole pizza. Just be careful on the corners. Eccola, now let's put on the cheese. Slowly on the corners. Now we're gonna put it in the oven on 220 degrees for 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes, take the pizza out, add the olives, turn the baker around, and put it in the oven for 5-10 more minutes. Eccola, our pizza is finished. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. You can tell me in the comments which toppings you like the most. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao!